Hi everyone, my name is Dakota and I'm a senior at Indiana University studying business, and today I'm going to replant my houseplant that I received as a gift. I know it's ready to be replanted because there's roots growing out of the bottom of it and I have to water it frequently every single day. So let's get started and we'll start talking about the types of pots that I'm going to use. When repotting plants, you always want to make sure you're going to a larger size pot. Usually 2 to 4 inches in diameter increase in size is a good benchmark. However, with slower growing plants, you can usually work with a 1 to 2 inch diameter increase. With this gift plant, we're going to separate it into two, which is why I have two pots here, and they're both made out of different material. The material is important and it varies on what you want to use the pot for. Plastic pots like this are lightweight, colorful, and usually cost less. They also retain more moisture, which means you will have to water the plant less frequently. Ceramic or terracotta pots such as this are usually heavier, have beautiful patterns on the outside, but typically cost more. Additionally, these pots are porous, meaning that they don't retain water, so you have to water your plants more frequently. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my pot by adding potting soil and Osmocote, a slow-release plant fertilizer. Check out my video to learn more about Osmocote and how to use it. For this 6-inch pot for an indoor houseplant, I'll be using about half a teaspoon of Osmocote. In order to prep my pot, I'm going to fill it about halfway full with soil, and then I'll add my Osmocote and mix it all together. After you've prepped your pot, the next step is to actually move it from its existing pot to a new one. This is a gift plant, which means that it usually comes with multiple plants. As you can see here, there's 2 separate plants in this, so I'll be using this pot for one side and this pot for the other. So to remove it from its existing pot, I'm going to loosen the pot's sides and the soil. Then typically you can just place your hand on top and tip it upside down and the plants will come right out. In order to separate the 2 plants, I just pulled them apart by the roots. Once the plant has been separated, I gently loosen the roots and take off everything that is unattached to the root ball. Then I cover the plant the rest of the way with soil and gently put it in place. It's important that you only press gently or tap the edges of the pot to get the soil and the plant in place, as you don't want to push all the air out of the soil by compacting it. And there you have it, how to repot a houseplant. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.